Disinfectants are being used more and more as we work to create cleaner and safer environments for people who are in our spaces. As we consider different disinfectant chemicals, it's extremely important to understand how to use those chemicals and any guidelines that come along with them. Part of that is reviewing the safety data sheet, which tells us how to store, dispose of, or use chemicals, what happens if there's a spill, and also any personal protective equipment that needs to be used as we're using the chemicals. Today we're looking at a disinfectant called Vital Oxide. Vital Oxide stands out from many other disinfectants with its safety rating. Now this carries the EPA's lowest toxicity rating when it's evaluating different disinfectants. When you're using Vital Oxide, many standard applications like cleaning non-porous surfaces don't require the use of personal protective equipment. This makes Vital Oxide a very safe option to use if you're looking for a disinfectant chemical in your space. Another benefit to Vital Oxide is that it can actually be used to disinfect soft surfaces like carpets or furniture. Many other disinfectants are not safe to use on textiles or other soft surfaces and can only be used on non-porous surfaces. Another benefit with Vital Oxide is when it's diluted 1:9 with water, it can be used as a no-rinse sanitizer for food contact surfaces. Now this is very convenient because most disinfectants carry a rinse requirement where you have to rinse a surface with water after using the disinfectant before doing any food preparation on the surface. Vital Oxide is a go-to disinfectant product, especially for those areas where you're looking for a very safe disinfectant to use if you're using food contact surfaces or food preparation areas, and also if you need to disinfect soft surfaces like furnitures, carpets, or other textiles.